Welcome to PIERRE Academy. In this video, we will show you how to connect and configure a one-gang dimmer module. We start by wiring the light. First, we connect the neutral wire to the neutral and the phase wire to the L1. After that, we add a push button. For this type, we connect the phase to one terminal of the push button, and the other terminal goes to the S1 input of the module. Next, we connect the phase and neutral of the module as well. Once the wiring is done, we power up the system. As you can see, the light is dimly lit, indicating the system is powered. On the display, we navigate to the menu, go to Settings and select Add Wave I/O option, then click on Find Device. We now put the module into pairing mode. To do this, press and hold the reset button until the light starts flashing, which indicates it's in pairing mode. Once it flashes, the display will immediately find the device. The light will stop flashing at this point. We then click Add Found Device and give it a name, or leave it as the default. Click Save, then Finish. The light now appears on the display and you can control it by switching it on or off. You can also dim the light by moving the slider up and down. Additionally, with the pressure of the push button, you can control it in the same way, toggling or dimming it. It's that simple. Thank you for watching and see you in the next PIERRE Academy tutorial.